Gonna be swapping out the grips here. Done it on mountain bikes before. Not so sure on, or haven't done it on a bike with a throttle, twist grip throttle. So got these ODI grips, the Moto single play. Gonna try putting these on. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. Alright, got this halfway off. Blasted it with the air compressor, shoved it in here like so, and then just blew some air and twisted at the same time to get it off. So I'm worried about this side. I don't think it's going to be as easy. More sketched out about having to cut it more than anything. So gonna get this one on, and then we'll try to jump to the throttle side. I don't see any markings here on which is for the throttle side, but I think I just slid the throttle side onto the wrong one, because yeah, this one just goes on and it's really loose. So guessing that one goes on this side here, and then this one, when I tried this one here, pretty snug. So gonna try that and go hairspray route. If not, maybe glue. Thinking hairspray, and then jump to that side. So yeah, shoot, I don't know if you guys know of a way to identify these, let me know. But I don't see anything. Actually, it does look a little thinner. Yeah, this one does look a little, and the length, it looks like the throttle side shorter. So yeah, that might be it. All right, so throttle side, non-throttle side. So this one's a little thinner than this one. You could tell once it's in the hand, and also the throttle side is a little shorter in comparison. This is the throttle here. So all right, was able to get this one off. Looks like this one actually has adhesive on it or something. You can see it here. And the way I was able to get it off, so this, yeah, there you go. You can see it there. Sits all the way flush in here. So threw a screwdriver in to try to pry it like that. And then I got a second screwdriver once I was able to do that. And then was able to roll it back a little ways, and it was rolled back like this, and then basically just ran the screwdriver around it, just trying to get it peeled off. And then once I got it about halfway, the screwdriver ended up coming off like so. So now I'm gonna try to put the other one on, but not sure. It's gonna be a super tight fit. That's a big diameter here in comparison to that one. So might not work. I was able to squeeze it on over it. It looks a little funky to me. I don't know. I did have to spray hairspray on it to slide it over on this one. Same on this one, but this one feels really funky. So just gonna let it sit for a while and see if it tightens up here in a bit with the hairspray. It does look like there's actually, no, That might be the end of the sleeve inside on the throttle. So more to come.